You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more confusing names too many people mispronounce. She is a French author, French writer, and just won the Nobel Prize for Literature. So how do you say her name? In French, in France, it's said as Annie Ernaux. Annie Ernaux. Therefore, in English, you could say it as Annie Ernaux. Silent X, certainly. Annie Ernaux. From French, Annie Ernaux. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.